The Humanity First Gift of Sight program has helped restore the sight of thousands of people across Africa by providing free cataract operations in clinics and hospitals. One such hospital where this program is doing wonders for people is in the city of Kano, Nigeria. The Ahmadiyya Muslim Hospital Kano has been at the forefront in this wonderful cause for over 3 years.
In 2016, we started some other things, that is with the support of Humanity First Canada, we start doing Gift of Sight program, that we will be doing free cataract surgeries. And Alhamdulillah, is up till today, it is continuous. Every month we used to do 40 free surgeries. We hold some free camps where we screen the patients, we select them. And now is close to 1,200 patients that we have already been operated. And this is also giving a very good reputation to the Jamaat, to the hospital, and people are really benefiting this one.
My name is Mohammed Uba Gezawa, Geza Local Government, Kano State. We are going to tell our people that the Ahmadiyya hospital, Muslim hospital, is really a place that one can come for this time of operation. There's no problem at all. Before I came for this operation, I found myself that I don't see very well. I don't even recognize people whom we meet. But now, inshallah, with the operation given to me, I'm going to see everything. I don't think I will be in problem again. Really, I suffered so much before I'm given this operation. So now I'm okay. I feel all right. Thank you very much.
Okay. My name is Abdullahi Isiaku Fanda from Albas Local Government, Kano State. So we come here 5 in numbers, and it's Ahmadiyya Muslim Hospital on behalf of me and other people. We thank Almighty God and from Khalifa down to these workers. Also some kind of body. God bless you in your working, and we thank all of you. God bless you in your career. Thank you very much.
To date, 1,366 cataract operations have been successfully completed at this hospital. This was only possible thanks to the generous donations received for this program by Humanity First. You too can make a world of a difference by donating for this very simple but life-changing operation by donating either $70 or 25,000 Naira to the Humanity First Gift of Sight program. Please donate generously and provide someone with a priceless gift, the gift of sight. Thank you.